Hello everybody, it's me again. Pancake mix. Coffee creamer. Pumpkin pie spice. I was wondering what else I can do with it. And this is gonna be it. We're gonna mix some coffee creamer with pancake mix. I wonder how that's going to taste. Well, I can already tell you, but yeah, I've done it before. And oh my goodness gracious. So good, so good, so good, so good, so good. I mean, this is my favorite way to make pancakes now. So I'm gonna half a cup, as you can see, it says, well, you can't probably see it, but there it is. It says half a cup right there. 1 and 2. 1 cup of pancake mix. No eggs, but we're gonna put in about like I think we're gonna put in a half a cup of coffee creamer. Mix it up first and see how well it comes out. Thing is, I like my pancakes a little thick but not too thick. I love them fluffy. Oh, when they come out fluffy, they're so good. Well, looks like I need a little bit more. So I'm gonna put another half a cup. I think one more half a cup. So 1.5 cups looks like to 2 cups. Maybe not 1.5. 1 1/4 cup about. I'm going to take the rest of this and put in my coffee over here. Yeah. 1 cup, 1 1/4 or 1 cup about. It's starting to come out. That's cutting out. It's coming out. Yeah. I might have to add just a little bit more flour. So I guess it'd be half and half. Same amount. I mean, a cup. Oh yeah, look at them bubbles coming up. Oh yes. That means it's gonna be fluffy. Fluffy. I love pancakes. And I said, what's a way I can add flavor besides putting a little chocolate in it or this or that? So I said, ask for water. Creamer's kind of runny. Watery, or you can put milk in it too, but I'm gonna put coffee creamer. So I'm mixing this up with my whipper. A little too thin. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little thin. So, looks like I have to add a little bit more. 1 tablespoon at a time. See, it says 1 tablespoon. I don't know if you can see it. 1 tablespoon at a time. And There we go. One more tablespoon. Looks like. Not thick enough. I want a little thick, but not too thick. And I don't want it runny. And we're going to keep on whipping it until we get this to the right. Yeah. Another tablespoon. Another tablespoon and another tablespoon. Yeah, it looks like I didn't come out the right measurement. So that's 4 tablespoons. About 5 tablespoons, I think is good. Yeah. I'm gonna keep on whipping this and whipping it, and I'm gonna pause, shut the video off a while and get this to the right thickness. And well, I keep on. No, I'm gonna pause and stop and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm about done mixing it, but I'm just adding a little bit ground cinnamon. Just enough. Almost empty. So I gotta kind of use it up. Add the cinnamon to your taste if you want. It's gonna taste so good. So I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, like you can see, mix it in there. Mix it in good, real good, oh yeah. Mix it good, mix it good. Yeah. It can taste good, oh yeah, Yum, yum. I'm sorry, I just had to be silly. I like to try to be fun and silly and have fun and cook, and there's a lot of things I like doing. Painting, fishing, camping, bicycle riding. Oh, a lot of fun. But there we go. That's the pancake mix. Now, I'm going to carry this phone over to the stove. I mean, not the phone, but camera. The camera over to the phone. Video. After I wash this out. I know it may be kind of crazy, but here we go for the ride over to the stove. Oh, let me get some more light on that. Oh, look at that, we got light. There's the frying pan. Got it in the frying pan. Got my pancake mix over here. Frying pan, heat it up a little bit. I already got some grease in there. Dry, got hard. I used to like use oil with these pans, but now I like using Crisco. Not a sponsor, not a sponsor. Everything I show you, I'm not a sponsor. But I use cooking grease instead on these pans. It's a blue diamond pan, or pink diamond. Nice pans, nice. As you can see, it's gonna, when I put the pancake mix in there, and then they get hot a little bit first. I'm just rinsing off my dishes. Make it a little easier for my wife. Yeah, I'm a good man. I'll try to be good to her. Good as I can. Now, when I put the pancake mix in there, I usually like to measure it. I'm going to use a 1/3 cup. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it in there, written down. A 1/3 cup measuring cup. Take 1/3 of it. Take the said measuring cup, 1/3 of this mix, cream, pancake mix, what am I thinking? Nice and easy, pour it in there. Yeah, the video's gonna probably be a little long, but hopefully not too long. And there we go. We got it cooking already. Oh, look at the bubbles pop. Oh, popping bubbles. Looking good. Yeah, I say that's looking pretty good. Get you close to view. Zoom you in. Oh, look at that. Looking delicious. So, I'll work my spatula around. Flip it over like that. Usually shouldn't have to have grease or oil with non-stick pans, but they only non-stick to a certain amount. And now I'll get my plate out because it's about ready. And I want to show you all this. It's gonna be delicious. I know it is because I've done it before. Oh, I don't even use syrup with it. I put on just butter. Well, my wife puts on just regular butter. I put on this honey cinnamon butter, and it's so good on it. That's why I didn't add so much cinnamon in it, because when I put the honey cinnamon butter on it, it's got the cinnamon right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Looking delicious. Okay, I'm going to turn this down low. Flip it over here. Bring the camera over to look at it. Got for a little ride, didn't you all? Kind of like a roller coaster ride. Yee-hoo! Now I'm going to cut into this, bring it out, and show you. Look how that fluffy that is. Look at that. So fluffy. So good. It's going to be hot when I take it back. Oh. Like I said, it's softer, fluffier. So good. Alright. I'll see you all in the next video I put out. Thank you. See you later.